I design clothes with stories, clothes without compromises. I love mixing different kinds of materials, for example plastic with fur. This show you're going to see tonight is actually a mix of two different collections, a way to describe melancholic as beautiful.